Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange.
How to fix Google Chrome is slow in Windows 10. So how to do that? So first we need to open the Google Chrome and you first update the Google Chrome. If you click these three buttons and go to Help and click on About Google Chrome, it will automatically update your Google Chrome, and you can click here to relaunch the Google Chrome. The second step you can do, click on the three dots, go to Settings, go to Advanced. Here you can click Restore setting to the original default. Here you can reset it, so whatever is there in your browser, any kind of problem, it will clean up. Third step, use hardware acceleration when available. You can disable this, sometime it causes the problem. You can click here to relaunch the Chrome. Okay, this is the third step you can do. The last step, you can check the extension, those also cause problem for slow Chrome. You can click on three dots here, go to More Tools and click here and then click Extensions. Here you can disable all the extension which you don't want, like this. Okay, those all steps you can try in a PC and check whether it's rectified or not. And I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.
If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe, please. Thanks for watching.